Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you guys something revolutionary about Canva, which is their new 3D section in the Magic Media, and it is where you are able to generate 3D in which you are able to kind of rotate it 360 degrees to get it in the angle you want it to be, I guess. I know that there's the 3D elements that they have here, and you are also able to rotate that here as well to kind of get the angle that you want. You can also adjust it here, but you're also able to do that now with Magic Media. It says you can enter your prompt here. I'm just going to enter something like Chrome stars maybe, and I'm just going to generate 3D. And then after it's been generated, obviously you'll need more words for that prompt. I suggest you use ChatGPT for the prompts if you'd like to. But here I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to type in what I have in mind, which is just that. So just going to wait for it to load. Ready in about 30 seconds. So just wait 30 seconds here with me. Don't forget to like this video, share it. Oh, this is what it looks like. Super cute. And then you're just going to drag it and place it in your, I guess, canvas, and you're able to rotate it 360 degrees, which I think is pretty cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!